today is Wednesday and we are here on a land tour to the whole island, both Dutch and French side of the island. So we are now climbing up this little mountain here and see the overview. And I'm gonna show you guys what we all can see from the top hill. Yeah, so excited!
So, ito na nga yung isa sa mga pinunta namin sa land tour namin. Nagbayad kami ng $140 para sa 3.5 hours na land tour for the whole island, which is binisita namin yung both French side and of course, the Dutch side ng St. Martin. So, ito, inakit namin yung bundok dito at nag-picture-picture kami. Makita mo yung buong bay ng area na yon, and it's so beautiful. Medyo nakakatakot kasi wala namang harang. Umakyat kami ng over 100 steps to see this overlooking fort ng buong Marigot Bay. So sa side na to, nakikita niyo yung mga establishments, and on the other side is yung buong Marigot Bay. Napakaganda, sobra pagdating mo sa taas kasi makikita mo nga yung buong bay na yan. At as you guys can see, ang blue ng water sa buong bay. And medyo nakakatakot kasi nga sobrang taas na ng time niyan na inakyat namin yung bundok, and also napakahangin. So yeah, nag-take kami ng pictures and just enjoy the very moment na pumunta kami dyan. So ito naman yung flea market sa may Marigot Bay. Maraming restaurants dyan and of course mga paninda or mga souvenirs na pwede mong mabili. And dahil off-season, nung time na pumunta kami, hindi ganong busy, which is okay din kasi hindi crowded. Hindi naman siya ganong kalakihan, so naikot namin ng madalian lang to. And then we had Sunday in one of the place that they have there. We sat down and just enjoy the tropical breeze. We also check out the mall that they have here in Marigot Bay, which is West Indies Mall. Maliit lang siya pero ang cute at maganda yung design sa loob ng kanilang mall.
Oh my God, I'm right in the center.
So yes, ito nga yung isa sa mga lugar na clothing optional. Basically may mga nudist, pero hindi namin alam kasi hindi naman kami nasabihan ng aming guide na sa other end pala neto merong clothing optional area. So nung pabalik na kami, nakatalikod na kami from the beach, nakita namin yung isang babae nga na topless. Buti na lang hindi ata nakita ng anak ko, or at least, I think, hindi niya nakita. Kami lang ng asawa ko. Nagulat nga ako kasi hindi ko na-expect sa area na to makikita yun.
So today we are checking in for our Lambada trip to Anguilla and Prickly Pear. Helping to hoist the sail. It's pork ribs, we have orzo, coleslaw, and it was so delicious and I love it. I want to get that recipe for those drinks. Recipe for all the food that they have there. It was so nice. This is what we have here, all the way there to the beach. All right, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, go! Good job! We are here. We're done snorkeling and swimming at Aguila.
OMG, as in oh my gosh, kasi napakaganda dito sa Anguilla. Wala ko ganong mga nakuhang videos and clips kasi ito yung time na nasira yung phone ko. However, itong mga nakikita nyo, ito yung before masira. Anyways, nag-enjoy naman kami. We enjoyed the beach, the vibes, the company, and the food. This is the end of my video and I hope you guys enjoyed this series nung bakasyon namin nung aming anniversary, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!